The Invisible Push. Hey guys, welcome back to Yuvalogy. I'm your host and a proud Yuva, and today I want to talk about that weird feeling in your gut when you're with friends and you do something that you know you don't want to do. Maybe it's as small as buying a pair of sneakers that you can't afford just to fit in, or as big as skipping a class you actually needed to attend. We've all been there, right? That's called the invisible push. We call it peer pressure in more Gen Z terms, but honestly, it just feels like an awkward weight on your chest. So today, I just want to talk about peer pressure because that I feel is a major problem between among us youngsters. I'm sure half of you might be thinking about sneaking out tonight just because your friends want you to. So, what is peer pressure? What is it? It's not always someone forcing you. Usually, it's just the fear of being the odd one out because, like, we're 15 and our brains are literally wired to want to belong somewhere. But here's the impact no one tells you about. Peer pressure doesn't just make you do things, it slowly erodes your self love. It truly erodes your true self. Every time you say yes to the group, but you're actually saying no to yourself, you lose a little bit of your own identity. You start living a life that belongs to your friends and not to you. And trust me, that's exhausting, right? Isn't it? Like, come on, let's be practical. So, how do we fix this problem? Is it even curable, or just you go on pretending to be someone just to belong somewhere? I mean, how do we fix this without becoming a hermit? So, here is the Uvalogy cheat code, the 5-second pause. Next time someone asks you to do something, count till five in your head before answering because it breaks the autopilot response of saying yes. It breaks the impulsiveness in your body or the adrenaline rush. You actually get time to think, to process what you've been telling to do and the risk behind it. And the next thing is the not my vibe line. I mean, as a Gen Z, I use this phrase a lot, that oh my god, that's so not my vibe. Oh my god, my vibe doesn't click to this. So trust me, you don't need a huge excuse. Just say, nah, that's not really my vibe today. It's firm, but it's cool. Like, yeah, I just don't want to do it because it's not my vibe. You do not need to give a legitimate excuse, and find your one. There's one thing I really believe. If you have to pretend to be somewhere, or if you have to pretend to be someone else to fit in somewhere, you really don't belong there. You only need one such person, or you only need one true friend who feels like you. If you stand your ground, you'll be surprised that half of the people are willing to say no. No one wants to actually do that stupid thing. Everyone is just doing it because of peer pressure. So you begin with saying no, other people join you, and then they reflect that what they have been doing is wrong. They have been doing it under peer pressure. So before I go, I wanted you to do one thing. Think about the one thing you did this week only because of someone else told you to do that. And next time, try the 5-second pause. I believe that you are the main controller. You are the CEO of your own life. Don't give away the votes for free. I'm Ananya Agarwal, the host of Uvology, and I'll catch you in the next one. I hope you found this helpful. Stay real, stay you, and enjoy.